Hello, I'm Dr. Rafi, a plastic surgeon. So I have been looking for these courses the advancements in aesthetic surgeries and all that. To my fortune, I happened to see this workshop to be conducted in Hyderabad. So I'm very glad for it because most of the people we think we have to go for workshops in cosmetic surgeries to abroad to get the basics and also to get hands-on training. But it is a fortunate moment that we got to learn in the workshop from the Hyderabad. It is a very vicinity from our place. There are pioneers like the Sanjay Parashar sir who had make the high definition liposuction very simple, and he has taught what the basics and what are the do's and don'ts of this procedure, and how to make the expectations of the patient and how to predict the results of the patients, and all the variety aspects of the things which have been dealt in a nutshell and made clear. So by the end of this workshop, I feel confident at least to do the basic things and make the patients go with better results. And thank you.